Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make butter popcorn like the movies. First, gather your ingredients: good quality popcorn kernels, coconut oil, and flavacol popcorn salt. These specific items are key to achieving that classic movie theater taste and aroma right in your own kitchen. Using coconut oil gives your popcorn a rich, buttery color and a delicious, authentic flavor profile. Flavacol is a secret ingredient for that perfect savory kick. Now let's get popping. In a large, heavy-bottomed pot, melt about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil over medium-high heat. Once the oil is hot, add 3 popcorn kernels and wait for them to pop. This indicates the perfect temperature. Then, add 1/2 cup of kernels and 1/2 teaspoon of flavacol salt, shaking gently to coat everything evenly. Cover the pot and continue cooking. The secret to movie theater butter isn't just melted butter, it's clarified butter. Gently melt about 4 tablespoons of clarified butter. Once your popcorn is popped and transferred to a large bowl, drizzle this golden liquid generously over it. Toss the popcorn well to ensure every kernel is coated. For an extra kick, sprinkle a bit more flavacol salt and toss again until perfectly seasoned. Your delicious, movie-style popcorn is now ready to enjoy. Serve it up immediately in classic popcorn bags or large bowls for the full experience. This recipe brings the magic of the cinema right into your home, perfect for your next movie night. Remember, for that authentic taste, fresh and hot is always best. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy every single buttery, salty bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.